The drop-top 4-seater is the latest addition to the second-generation 4 Series range, following the launch of the coupe and hot M4 variant, and shares the same controversial front-end styling that features an enlarged kidney grille. First UK deliveries are due in March, with prices starting from £45,785. Whereas the previous convertible 4 Series used a folding hardtop, the new version features a cloth roof. It's the first compact executive BMW convertible to do so since the E46 Generation 3 Series convertible ended production in 2006. That brings it in line with the latest 2 Series and 8 Series convertibles, and matches the rival Audi A5 and Mercedes-Benz C-Class cabriolets. The 4 Series convertible's soft top uses panel bow elements and a glass rear window that, BMW claims, offer greater acoustic and thermal comfort than a standard soft top. The electrically powered roof takes 18 seconds to open or close, and can be operated at vehicle speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. The roof is 40% lighter than the hard top used in the previous 4 Series convertible, and BMW has used extra bracing in panels to improve the body rigidity, which the firm says is 4% higher than on the previous version. The launch lineup is headlined by the M440i xDrive, offered in convertible guise for the first time and featuring a 369 horsepower mild hybrid 6-cylinder petrol engine and 4-wheel drive. There are also 2 4-cylinder petrol engines, offering 181 horsepower and 254 horsepower, and a 187 horsepower 4-cylinder diesel. 2 straight-six diesels will follow in November next year, and all engines use an 8-speed automatic gearbox. The 2021 4 Series convertible will go on sale in the US in March 2021 for the rear-wheel drive models and July for the xDrive all-wheel drive versions, priced starting just over $54,000. At first glance, the 4 Series convertible may seem like a provocation. After all, it has the same vertical kidney design that has riled up people on social media since the 4 Series coupe and the M3 and M4 siblings were unleashed on the public. In real life, we think the new design works rather well. And this may be a minority opinion, but purists who have trouble with the front end may be won over by the fabric top, which, when closed, arches beautifully over the center section of this impressive convertible for a more elegant look than its predecessor. An open-top car is a luxury, a car for special occasions, desirable as a way to drive into the sunset or to your favorite cafe. And it needs a fabric top. When the retractable hard top arrived, it was a fascinating technology, and visually it worked on a 2-seater like the Mercedes-Benz SLK. On many larger convertibles, however, it created a bulging trunk, and the metal parts still ate into the luggage space. A fabric top is easier to package, and it looks better. No wonder BMW has chosen to revert to it with the new 4 Series convertible, which of course is closely related to the current 3 Series. The new fabric top is thickly padded, which means that from within, you could mistake it for a coupe when you keep it closed in bad weather. The top is 40% lighter than the previous model's hard top, and it can be electrically opened or closed within 18 seconds and up to a speed of 31 miles per hour. Moreover, trunk space has grown by 1.2 cubic feet to a full 9.0 cubic feet, while the rear end looks more sleek than before. Looking across the full lineup, BMW's 6 Series has become the 8 Series, and that means there is room for the 4 Series to expand. It stands on a longer wheelbase than its predecessor, and it has become an overall larger car in all directions. The interior is taken straight from the 3 Series, and there is plenty of room not just in the front, but also on the rear seats, which now are big enough to be comfortable even for extended trips. The 4 Series has a lower center of gravity than the 3 Series. Its steering is tuned for agility and responsiveness, and despite the added weight of the open-top conversion and the necessary body stiffening, this convertible should match the extraordinary dynamic capabilities of the sedan it's based on. As always, the US market gets a sample of the more powerful gasoline engines. However, we eventually expect to see an M4 convertible. If BMW follows the example of the M4 Coupe, it will be available with a choice of a manual or automatic transmission and rated at 473 and 503 horsepower, respectively. The 4 Series convertible is fitted with BMW's latest connectivity and infotainment features, which means you can manipulate the vehicle's dynamic settings in multiple ways, while the navigation is fed real-time traffic information and connectivity with mobile devices works seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability, and a head-up display is optional. When the BMW 4 Series convertible launches, it will compete directly with the Audi A5 and the Mercedes-Benz C-Class and E-Class convertibles. As the most recent and contemporary entry, we fully expect it to find its place at the top of its class. The rear-wheel drive models will hit dealerships in March, while the xDrive models come in July.
subscribe to Auto TV.